Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, me and my dad are going to be drenching the sheep. But first we have to put them into their pen. Look at all of them. Go, go, go. Trying to make these sheep go into there. So far they're doing it right now. Got all the levies in here. Trying to jump on some more wood. Sheepy in. One of the lambs got out. He's in there. Oh yeah, there he is. Yeah, he's going in. Shut the gate now. Daddy's going around. Straight in. Cute little guy.
We'll put him in with the others.
Right in. With all of those sheep. That is a lot of nice little lambs. And you buddies are not escaping. Another one in there. Maybe like 2 more to go. Oh, horns one. It's the horny one. There's 2 horned ones. There's 2 horned ones. Hey, we've got 2 horned ones. That's one. Another one over there. I got in the pen.
Oh, no, there's a lamb.
Oh, lemmy. Still one there.
You have a quick count up of these lambs. 1, 2,
They're bowing down to me.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Yeah.
19. There's 19, so I think that's the full count.
19.
A bit woolly. See, there's,
A lot of hair in
this
some of
is
them.
the Woolshire, and they're a shedding sheep, and it's end of winter, so they're shedding. So the plan is drench all the adult sheep, the ewes, and we've got a machine that we can look at their feet. We can clip their feet. That's the plan.
Yep. We are lucky that we have these pens, otherwise the sheep would still be out there, which would be very annoying. Now that we've got all the sheep in the pen, it's time to gather up all of the drenching supplies, which then we use that to drench them, obviously, and then put them back in the paddock, and they're good to go. My cat. Hey, Tigglies. His name is Tig. But that's not what this video is about. It's about drenching the lambs. I'm just sitting here, and I hear so much breathing and a lot of fence banging from these guys and these guys.
We don't have a lot of that left, so
We do have everything out now, and we do need the vaccination for the lambs and some of that stuff for what we put into their mouth. Some feet scrubbing stuff, and maybe like toe clips for the sheep, well, hoof clips. Got the lammy. lemmies. Look at that little lemmy's head right there.
Little vaccination, little jab.
For Lemmy. Okay, we got a girl.
Got a girl. There's going to be just the tail here. Just a little ring on the tail. Make sure
A little ring on the tail.
Make sure there's enough there to cover her bottom. And her jab.
The jab for the lamb.
And that's you done, love.
Still a lot more to go, as you can see, which is not good for us. Okay, so got another little girl.
See the little horned
See the
ones.
Horns. I find how they get the horns fascinating.
Unless the original breed had horns. Most of them have had it bred out of them. The horns jab though.
And my cat is still here. Tiggles. Catch another little one.
Girl, I like it.
Another little girl. The girls are the best one because we don't have to do a lot of work on them. No, it's a horned one.
Okay.
There is another horned one in the corner. As you can see, the horns there.
You're a good sized one. Hey, calm down, you're okay. See,
Now we've got the horn.
it's another little boy.
It's another little horn. Oh, we got a little bit of blood on his nose.
Where? Oh, there, little scraper's nose. He banged it.
Let's see the horns. Let's see the horn, Dad. Yeah. Big horns.
Okay.
Big horns.
Well, they would be one day.
Soon more to come. We finished all the lammies. Now it's time to get on to the big ones. It's got to be a nightmare. Put them in through here, and then put them in here, and clip their feet. So we've got a sheep in there now. I'm sorry, mate, but we have to flip you over. We are being a bit cruel, but
No, you put your head down there.
you don't need to be. We have to do this so we can get their feet in, we can get
Hey, I
The
need a
foot
bucket
rot.
of water.
and their their medicine. We're gonna do that now. The nice horns. Not that sharp on the end though. Pretty blunt. But my dad's just doing the feet. Loaded them up. Another little horned one. Gotta clip the feet. Oh, kicks the camera. Okay. My dad's just doing the feet.
Don't like it.
None of them like it.
Calm down. All right. Now we got to clip the toenails.
You know what? You know what's bad for us? We still have that many to go. Great. Super excited. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.